It is almost the big day. The king's birthday is tomorrow, and the entire kingdom is steady in preparation for the big party. Everyone is hard at work, fixing up the king's halls and making it as beautiful as before. However, no one is harder at work than the cook.
Oh, I know my lord's gonna love this peanut butter and jelly sandwich I blessed for him. Here you go, my lord. Probably my best work.
Thank you, peasant. Huzzah.
Good evening, my lord. I heard that you've been feeling a little sick. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm feeling a little under the weather.
Have you eaten anything lately?
My chef just prepared for me the best peanut butter and jelly sandwich ever.
Don't worry, my lord. I'm the best at this job, and you're in very good hands. All I'm going to do right now is make you bleed so we can get the sickness out of your body, and then I'm going to ask you to pee in that cup so I can taste it. Is that fine?
Okay.
Okay. I just need you to hold it right under it. Thank you. Okay, sounds good. And then I'm just going to need you to pee in this cup quickly.
Here's my pee, doctor.
Thank you, my lord. Mmm. It's really good. Actually, it looks like you have the symptoms of the Black Plague.
What?
You told me that you ate a peanut butter and jelly lately, right?
Yeah, the cook gave it to me.
Thank you. I'm going to visit the cook right now, and I will return shortly. Hello, sir. Are you the famous Gordon Ramsay?
Yes, I am. Is there a problem?
Yes, our Lord the King has come down with the Black Plague, and I just want to know where he got it.
Oh,
Fine if I look around your kitchen quickly?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
A few moments later.
My lord, my lord. It turns out that the cook got you sick.
Bring me my knight at this instant.
Here's the head.
Huzzah.
Eventually, the king dies a month later, and everyone in the kingdom is heartbroken, all because of that disgusting cook.